Guys, welcome to Chill Out with Juju. In the kitchen today, I will be cooking some curried Irish potatoes. So this dish is for mainly vegetarians, but anybody can have this dish because I am not a vegetarian and I'm going to have this dish today. So come and join me at the stove. So guys, I put the pot on the fire now. Add some garlic. I'm gonna add in the curry. Then I'm gonna add some water to this. Just as much water to cook the potato. So over here, so now guys, we're gonna start to peel the potatoes. This is a dish that I really like. Add in some season. So this is it, guys. So I'm gonna add in some Maggi all-purpose. Just a little bit. And a little jerk season. And I'm going to do this exactly just as how you have curry chicken. Potatoes. And let this cook for about 15 minutes. No. I didn't add any salt to this because the season is already have salt. Depends on your season that you use. So this is cooked now. So I'm gonna add some scallion, thyme, pepper, sweet pepper, onion. Of lettuce here, so I'm gonna plate this on top of the lettuce. And I'm going to have this just as how